Hello, friends. Welcome back. Let's walk through today's forecast. If you are trading futures, this is the edge you definitely need. All right. So, eight 2024. This is the projected turns we had. Alright, so first thing we do is look at these two frequencies, and it shows around 10, 15, 20 area, which we are going to zoom into the next one. There's going to be a change, 1045, 1215 area. I'm looking at these big energy points, right? And if I catch one of these, and the day is made. And now the same things have been labeled here by doing composite of these waves. So 935, 1115, 1110. So I'm seeing us the same numbers here. So 1015 is a big energy, so I'm going to qualify that. So this 1015 is of interest. Around 1045, we want to see which side it is at. 1045, 1050 is the bottom, 1215 is the bottom area, right? All right, so let's look at these big energy shifts and how that played out. Today we'll just going to talk about this professional, one of the setups we have in level 1 training. All right, hourly chart is bullish all day. You can see these blue lines bullish, red ones bearish. Bias is already set up. Also we have these charts are telling us that around 1230, 1215, 1230 area, this low is going to be there, low for the day. Then you have some chop. So this is what is generating these shifts right here, because they're coming from a different time span. All right, so we're going to just check these areas. So 10, $15 is right here. We got a smackdown on ES, 15 points. All right, so that is the big energy, number one. Second energy is 1215. 1215 is here. This is very interesting because if you look at this chart on the right side, this is 3-minute chart, this is 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, multi-time frame charts. On this one right here, we see a pressure being built up right here. And these are the energy lines we have. So here it went and broke the energy line, retesting on the other side. But this is also our 1215 low time right here. So we get a boost of confidence. And this PDF is sent out 8 o'clock in the morning. You can get it even earlier at 4 o'clock as well, because we start printing where market is a little bit noisy, right? Early morning. All right, so there it is. Now looking at this 3-minute chart, now people talk about trade management and money management, right? So let's look at those things. At 1215, is right here. This box is designed, just these boxes are designed for not only the color of the trend, also the breakout of this area. So this was, and you see the oscillator we have, right? So it is already all conditions were meeting right here that you can go long at this point. So if you have a stop buy stop here, go long, you can initially hide behind. Let me show you. This is why we have these grid lines. Again, these are energy lines right here. So that's why it stopped right here to the tick, and then this is taking off this box area right here. And then we also have this direction noted here. So if I'm gonna be stopped, if I'm gonna go long here, I can, if I want a very tight stop loss, hide behind one tick behind these red lines. You need to have these tools at your disposal to be able to do this. And there, this is the stop loss area, and what it is saying, there we go, till end of the market, and there we got a very big move. This is how you catch big moves with a very controlled stop losses. This is 30-minute chart. It got compression of all the waves earlier. It gives a pullback very fast at this point. On the hourly chart, we can see the trend was already long, right? So we had a long bias here. This is above these two lines, that's fine. And then here also we have on 15-minute chart, it also says that 1035 area is going to be low as well. So if you look at this, 1035 energy is also pretty smashed. 935, 1035. So 1035 is right here. It's off by 35 is right here. Even if you want to see this on a 3-minute chart, is you got that low actually somewhere here. So that is how you can deal with this scenarios. What are these things? Again, in level coaching, so these things are going to be plotting in advance right here. You can see them. If I keep adding more data to the right side, it will be plotting and plotting automatically. So what's going on there? Well, these are timing turns of energy, one of the models. This is one of the model for turn times. How do we use this? Very simply, when you see the 2 or 3 line endpoints are matching, let me do automatic here so I can stretch a little bit. All right. So see the beginning of this white bar or end of this bar is what we think is going to be a turning point. So here at the beginning is 12:15. See this? This is already printed when market is somewhere here. It is going this way. This is already printed for you. You can keep printing, keep on printing, but there are so many lines there because it is looking at some algorithmic and energy confluence here too, and some astro components here. So what are we looking at here? I see one bar beginning right here. So that is a confluence that this astro model is telling the same thing what this model is saying, which we send out. This is probably 80% accurate. We can improve it further as people get excited about using these things, but here it is. See the exit, you can be stopping initially here, stop loss, then you can just trail it as you move off. Keep 2 lines behind. If it breaks this one, go line behind. That's all trade management. You should be able to handle all this on your own. But this time, this is very interesting how it came together. How about beginning of this line? Market was going down, it pushed it up. End of this line, look at this, end of this line, end is here. Smack down, one big bar, boom. Where did it go? The previous box. See this dotted boxes? It went there, previous boxes, stopped here, and then what was going on here? 1035 right here, low was projected, and you could have taken this. So I hope this helped a little bit. So take your directions from higher time frame charts, 60 minutes, and then we have 30 minutes and other charts, and there we go. Thank you so much.